2019, and I realize you've all been waiting for this. This is really why you're here. Right. This is second annual awarding of the crappy prints, and we don't judge. We take all of your crappy prints. We're like the Statue of Liberty of crappy printness. Bring them all. We have some epic contributions this year. So, without further ado, we have 3 lucky winners that will be taking home some fabulous prizes. And along with those prizes, for third place, you are not only winning the pride of being third place, but you will take home a failed inductance probe. This will annihilate your heated bed. It will destroy your nozzle so that you can help us contribute next year. That winner will also get a $25 gift card to Matter Hackers from 3DTPH. Thank you for taking part. Third place. Can I get a drum roll? It goes to Dustin Hanneman for this epic masterpiece. This is 70-ish hours of rather expensive and gorgeous filaments to end up like that. With that, thank you. Can we get a quick photo? Take the inductance probe.
It's 70 hours of perfection.
You need that.
It was just moments.
Yeah, right. You did it, Phil. Third place. Congratulations. All right. Hey, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not going to lie. This was a hard decision. And there are many reasons, and we'll describe the intricacies between second and first place. Second place will get you this fabulous knockoff E3D nozzle. I'm not kidding. 37 seconds in, this thing will be jammed. We have filled it with metal shavings and anything else we could find on the floor here. So, hell, I don't even know if it's drilled out. Go right ahead. I think you'll enjoy it. This was really hard. And not only will you get that, you will also get a $25 gift card from Matter Hackers from 3DTPH. And that goes to Jimmy Carter. Now, this is no Benchy. This is what happens when you go to work and you think, hey, that print's going to be great. But then your effector slams into it, you get a fan blade wedged in there, and this epic goodness gets you 25 bucks and it's awesome. So, Jim, go in and get in here. Good job. Good job. All right, get in there. Wait, I need the nozzle.
There you go.
All right.
Gotta send me one of those. Thank you, gentlemen.
That's it, second.
That is second place, so you know it's only getting crappier.
In the way. Oh, yeah.
All right, first place is going to get you this burnt-out Creality board. Frankly, I don't know if it powers on. You can verify its crappiness from the burnt-out trace, which I think is standard for most of these boards. So I think we're ready to go.
I've had it happen twice.
And this, my friends, this is going to go to Xander and Glenn. Woo! And for this lovely guy, and I will give the crowd an opportunity.
Now, you guys already know because I've told the story. No, don't.
Does anyone know how this happens? The failure here, yes, but why did we only get part of the print? Anyone in the audience for this epic pile of garbage? Take a shot, my friend.
Did it loop onto it and you have to break it off because it was dragging it around the bed?
No, good guess. Anyone else?
Not only happened once, it happened twice, right?
This is what happens when your
not at the same Z height, though.
Your extruder motor has a broken wire.
Oh.
It chooses to extrude on this side, but after a little bit of tension.
I printed like tons of prints on this part of the bed with no problem, but as soon as it broke that plane, the wire would break open and it would stop the extruder motor. Start the extruder motor.
That's the judges were locked. But this, my friends, is the biggest piece of crap I have seen. Good job, Glenn. Good job, Xander. This is yours, my friend.
You're now my number 2.
$25, 2 Matter Hackers for this epic goodness. Get in here for a photo.
Don't forget the board. You got to show off the board. Backside.
All right, show that off with pride. All right, a big round of applause to all of our graphic.
I want to get a picture of all three of them.
Yeah.
You know how to work a phone, I have no doubt. Dustin.
I said it's time.